In this video you will learn how to fix boosted post problem in Instagram. Check your account eligibility. Ensure your Instagram account is set up as a business or creator account, as personal accounts cannot use the boost feature. Connect to Facebook page. Link your Instagram account to your Facebook page, since boosting requires a connection for ads management. Update your payment method. Make sure the payment method is valid and up to date in your account settings. If it's outdated or incorrect, payment details can be blocked boosted. Review community guidelines and content. If your post violates Instagram's advertising policy, it will not be approved for boosting, so adjusting your content is necessary to make sure it follows all of Instagram's guidelines. Update and reinstall the Instagram app. Avoid using outdated app versions, as can cause issues with boosting. Make sure to update to the latest version and reinstall Instagram to fix any glitches. Contact Instagram support. If boosting still fails after checking everything, report the issue to Instagram through the settings. Help, report a problem. Now you know how to fix boosting problem in post on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.